Hi everyone, I'm Santosh from SIT. Today Saturday, we all relax on this day, but you'll see how SIT's trainees are working really hard to get into IT industry from their current non-IT jobs. So every Saturday we conduct these workshops. You will learn what all a business analyst should learn and how you can switch from non-IT to IT industry. Please come guys, I'll show you how these things happen. So in every software, before the design and the development starts, we have to create a product backlog. And that product backlog is created in a tool called Jira.
The requirements and how we can build an application based on the requirement gathering and how we can create the user stories and then move from the product backlog to sprint backlog. And it was great.
Team members are all collectively building the product backlog and they're playing a role of a business analyst. So this is the most important role. If you want to become a business analyst, first and foremost is you have to understand the requirements, then write user stories and acceptance criteria, and then create this product backlog.
What I learned from this workshop is product backlog, user stories. These are a few terms which I heard for the very first time. And I got to know what exactly is a product backlog, what exactly is a user story.
This is the most important step, 2 to 3 hours of workshop dedicatedly, showing them practically how we create these user stories and product backlogs. So stay tuned to know more information about this. If you also want to join this program and if you want to know how to create user stories and product backlog to understand the business requirements to the developers, join our demo and you can also attend these workshops. You can see how we train these people, switch them from non-IT job to the IT job. All these things you can learn it in this workshop.
The experience was so good. The way I thought like, can I use Jira? Is it okay for me to do it? Like, can I do it or not? But after listening sessions, Madhav and Aslam, I have that confidence. Okay, we can also create user stories.
SIT's business analyst program is designed in such a way that from Monday to Friday, you'll get the conceptual knowledge. You'll understand what are all the concepts that a business analyst should learn. And in the weekend, on Saturday, we will conduct 4 workshops. In a month, we have 4 Saturdays, so we'll conduct every week 1 workshop. The first workshop will show them how the software development happens, the simulation of how the business teams and the technical teams, how they collaborate and understand the business requirements and the business problems, and how the technical team develops these software solutions. That will be the first workshop. In the second workshop that is going on currently, this is all about understanding the requirements and then creating the product backlog by writing user stories and acceptance criteria in the Jira tool. That is second workshop. In the third workshop, we will work on your resumes. Everyone should come up with their own projects, and then once the resumes are ready, we'll post them in the Naukri. That will be the third workshop. The fourth workshop will be all about how to attend these interviews. So each and every one are going to prepare all the set of questions that will be asked in the interview, and you're going to give it live here and we're going to review all your answers. These are the 4 workshops using which you'll get practical hang of how a business analyst job is done. Today's workshop will stop here. I know there's a lot to practice. This is just like a tip of an iceberg. Yeah. So Aslam, what did you train practically? I've shown in the workshop. Can you say in your own words?
Requirement. How are we collecting the requirements basically? Not directly jumping into the solution. We have analyzed the requirement on very higher level. Once the requirement has higher level, what we said is ask them to maintain a backlog items. Initially we'll not be writing the stories initially. We'll just maintain the backlog items in the higher level description.
Can we call it as an RTM? Similar to that.
Similar to
okay.
RTM we can call it.
Yeah.
So after collecting the RTM, when the discussion happened, for each and every RTM we started writing the detailed stories in the Jira.
Okay.
So team understand how things are being writing the stories, and after writing the stories, how these stories need to be explained to the development team.
Okay.
So it's overall product backlog, sprint backlog, Jira. So this creation has been.
Have you guys also done the sprint planning meeting as well? What all stories are going to sprint 1? Is that done or only just created a sprint?
We only created the concentrate on writing the stories in Jira today.
Okay. So how is the Jira tool, guys? Are you all okay with it, or you feel it's a very complex tool that we can't understand Jira at all? Anyone feels it's a complex tool that we can't work on it? It's a user friendly, right? Okay, yeah. So I want to know from each of you, okay, what did you learn today? Okay, because we'll take it as a feedback and we'll improve our workshops as well. Okay.
Very good experience, and just bookmark in my calendar that I have to attend this workshop, no
Good.
matter what.
Good, nice.
Come and join in this business analyst job.
Okay,
what
great.
I feel.
Thank you so much, Mubin.
Yeah, I'm very confident. It should be like coming from us.
After seeing this workshop, I'm getting confidence like I'm going to get a job as a BA.
The requirements and how we can build an application based on the requirement gathering, and how we can create the user stories and then move from the product backlog to sprint backlog. And it was great.
And definitely you'll get a job, guys. So we will get a job soon. We'll come in front of the camera like after achieving. Thank you.
Yes, looking forward to get placed very soon.
Future you will see as achiever.
Workshop is far more better than online classes.
డే బిఫోర్ ఎస్టర్డే నేను ప్రొఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకున్నాను. నాకు వెంటనే బ్యాక్ టు బ్యాక్ కాల్స్ రావడం అనేది కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అ షాక్.
You have witnessed a powerful workshop just now. You have seen how trainees are so happy with our approach. In the Monday to Friday, we give an conceptual training, and on the Saturdays we give a practical training to them. They're really happy. You can see how the people are really interactive. They're able to interact with each other, learn from each other. There are so many mentors here who are helping them, guiding them. We have achievers like Ram who are helping them, giving them real life experience, how they have learned this subject and how they have cracked this job. So if you also want to see this, you can come every Saturday. We conduct this workshop. You can come to Gachibowli. We are in the center of Gachibowli. You can come here, you can meet us, you can have a one-to-one discussion with us, you can attend these workshops. So guys, you have seen today's workshop, and just now I completed the offline demo. So SIT is giving you this platform where you can come, you can attend us, you can meet us. We have achievers here, you can meet them, you can speak with them, you can meet the trainers and discuss all your problems with us. We are the ones who can help you get out of your problems. So every Saturday we conduct these workshops. People who are enrolled, they can come and attend the workshops. People who are new to this one, they can attend our demo and see how our program is designed. And you can also interact with the achievers who recently got placements. And you can also meet with us, the trainers, and discuss all your problems. We're going to help you with all the solutions. And trust me guys, IT industry needs people like you who have the business knowledge, who have the management skills. IT industry is looking for you people. Looking forward to see you all soon in my trainings and in my workshops. Thank you.